Welcome to Carter Pick, Lesson Chapter 4. Okay. Today we're going to introduce the relative minor of the F chord and the bass run to get to the D minor, which is the relative minor of the F. And then we're going to learn the bass run from C to F, which you're going to notice is exactly the same as the bass run was from G to C, just starting on the A string. So watch my left hand. Starting on that A string, second finger comes up, down to the F chord. Watch that again. We did that from the G to the C. It's exactly the same. I'm just starting on the A string. Second finger comes up, F. Remember, I can go backwards the same way. Second finger up, C. I can go backwards to G. And back into C. Starts to sound like a song we all knew, huh? Open, 2, 3. Backwards, second finger comes up. Second finger comes up. Let's take a look at this with both hands. The C chord, understated strum, second finger up, down to the F chord. Backwards, just the opposite. Second finger up to where it is, take it off to the C chord. And we already know what we've done on prior chapters, over and over. Open, down. Second up, F. I can go from the G with an open, 2, 3. Second finger up, down, F chord. Remove it and bring the second finger up, down, C chord. Same to the G, second finger up. Now we just learned how to walk into F. Here's how we're going to take that F to its relative minor D minor. Bring the second finger up, open to the D string, at which point we're on a D minor. I want you to see how I'm doing my D minor. I'm not doing it like the books here. I'm doing it like this for a reason we're going to learn later chapters for modal playing that. To that later. Don't spend any time on that now, please. But if you can learn to do your D minor like this, because I'm right back to my F. Now, let's see how we went from that F to that D minor. Bring the second finger up, D minor. To the G chord, open, 2, 3. We know how to go to its minor. C, open, 2, 3 on the A. We know how to go to its minor. To the F, open, 2, 3. I know how to go to its minor. To C. Okay, again, let's look at this with both hands. On the C, to the A minor, as we know how to do that by bringing the finger up. To my F. Open, 2, 3. To its minor, bring the second finger up to the open D for the D minor. G. Open, 2, 3. Backwards to its minor. Open, 2, 3 to C. Walk it into F. Backwards to C. Backwards to G. Walk it into its minor. Open, 2, 3 to C. Open, 2, 3 to F. Walk it to F to its minor, to the D minor. Now I want you to understand, we now have all the chords we need at this point in our playing for the key of C. We have the first chord, the C, the 2 chord, the D minor, the 3 chord, the E minor, the 4 chord, the F, the 5 chord, the G, the 6 chord, the A minor, and back to C. And we have bass runs to move between all of these. Good luck, keep picking.